Drawing number 1.6. Now, this drawing actually, we can approach it from any number of views. We could actually start here at the front view, draw this whole profile and extrude it backwards, or we could start on the right view and extrude it forwards. There really are a whole bunch of approaches we can do here. We can even start on the top view, make a square, and then cut away everything that we don't need. It's really much of a muchness. For this one, I think I'm going to start on the front view, just for a bit of a change this time. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to draw this entire profile on the front view and extrude it towards the back. So let's get going with this one. Select the front plane, sketch, and I'm going to start sketching. But now, it's very important that we take into consideration where the origin is. We want the origin to be on the bottom right hand corner, so we need to draw in towards the left hand side of this drawing. So off we go, just using the line tool, plain and simple, and I'm going to draw this profile. It doesn't matter if the sizes are messed up for now. Whoopsie, that's a bit bad. Really doesn't matter too much. As we add the dimensions in, these things are going to come right. Good. Put a height in here. It's 50, and our length is 145. Okay, the distance. What we're going to do now quickly is I want these two lines to be collinear. Hold on a second. What's going on here? Okay, this is that line, and this is actually that way around. Okay. Remember, if you're drawing jumps like mine did over there, you can just click and drag it while it's still underdefined. You can just click and drag it around. So again, I want these two to be collinear. Okay, because remember, collinear means in line with each other. From here to this point is 15, and the length from this line to this point is 45. You could also use the chamfer tool later on to do this, to chamfer this piece here. But like I said, there's many ways that we can solve this problem. This is the way I'm doing it. You can do it any way you like, as long as you get the correct answer. This is purely just a guideline to help you if you're struggling with the drawing. Okay, that's 25. Remember, this is still underdefined, so I can drag this line, and it will become fully defined once we start adding things to it. Okay, this is 50. Okay, and in this case I can't use the symmetrical tool because there is no center line over here. What I can do though is we can make these two lines equal. Okay, which is pretty much very similar to the center tool, except we're saying that they must be equal always. Okay, and remember that just comes down to your design intent. Should have paid a bit more attention when drawing my sketch this time. Okay, those two are 15. Okay, and the total height is 30, but we don't need that. Let's do this like this. We don't need that 30 because the computer can add. Good, now we want to extrude this. But in this case, you can now see that if we make this 75, it's actually extruding forwards towards us. We want it to go the opposite direction. So we can just change the direction of this because we want to keep our origin in that bottom corner. Okay, click the tick. And there is our basic extrude. Now, the last thing we need to do on this one is we need to cut these two slots through the whole thing. So I'm going to draw on this face, sketch, normal 2, and we're going to draw those two triangles. And please, again, you can't just draw two lines over here. It has to be a closed entity. Okay, we can add geometric relation between this line and this line, that they're collinear, saving us one dimension. This is 10 millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. Okay, and the height of that will be 15. Okay, and they're both fully defined. Now, features, extrude cut. Okay, and we want to go through all. Click the tick. And there we have it. That is drawing number 1.6.